will drop automatically from the panel above you. Pull the mask toward you and place it over the nose and mouth. Place the elastic strap over your head and tighten it by pulling the end of the strap. Remain calm and breathe normally. The oxygen bag may not fully inflate. That is normal. If you are traveling with children, put your oxygen mask first, then help the children. Pesawat Boeing 737-800 New Generation dilengkapi dengan 8 pintu dan jendela darurat. 4 jendela darurat di kabin bagian tengah, 2 pintu darurat di kabin bagian belakang. Boeing 737-800 New Generation is equipped with 8 emergency exits. 2 doors in front cabin, 4 windows in middle cabin, 2 doors in aft cabin. Dalam keadaan darurat, lampu petunjuk jalan keluar akan menyala untuk menunjukkan jalan keluar terdekat. The emergency exit lights will illuminate during emergency situation and will guide you towards the exit nearest to you. Baju pelampung Anda terdapat di bawah kursi dan hanya dipakai pada saat keadaan darurat di air. Your life jacket is available under your seat. Cara menggunakannya: kalungkan baju pelampung melalui kepala, kancingkan, dan eratkan melingkari pinggang Anda. Place the life jacket over your head and secure the strap firmly around your waist. Baju pelampung dikembangkan sesaat sebelum Anda keluar melalui pintu darurat. Bagi penumpang yang keluar melalui jendela darurat dekat sayap, pelampung agar dikembangkan setelah Anda berada di atas sayap. Untuk mengembangkan baju pelampung, tarik sekerasnya ujung merah. Jika baju pelampung tidak dapat mengembang dengan sempurna, tiup pipa karet. Lampu akan menyala jika baterai terendam air. The life jacket should only be inflated at the emergency exit doors. For those passengers evacuating through the emergency windows, life jacket is to be inflated once you are over the wing. To inflate your life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. Should the life jacket fail to inflate, blow into the red tubes. The light will turn on if the battery plugs in water. Kartu petunjuk informasi keselamatan terdapat di dalam kantung kursi di depan Anda. Kami mohon Anda membacanya dengan seksama sebelum pesawat tinggal landas. Bila Anda membutuhkan bantuan, silakan menghubungi salah satu awak kabin. Terima kasih atas perhatian Anda dan selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. The safety information card of this aircraft is available in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully before takeoff. If there's anything that we can do to make this flight more enjoyable to you, please do not hesitate to let us know. Thank you for your kind attention, and we wish you a very pleasant